our 3-pan steam warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 44 inches, a depth of 30.5 inches, and a height of 33.75 inches. Depth of the cutting board, we have 8 inches, and the measurements for each of the 3 slots to insert your warming pans will include 12.25 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth, by 8.25 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 slots to insert your warming pans. Right below are 3 separate temperature control gauges along with the light indicator. And coming to the top left corner is the ETL NSF certification. Right below is the 110-120 voltage plug, along with additional storage space for inventory. Measurements for the storage space will include 43.5 inches in length, 22 inches in depth, by 17.5 inches in height. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.